So in this video, we're going to be letting people comment below a post. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is create a new table. Our table is going to be called comments. We have an ID column for the comment. We're going to have the comment itself. It's going to be text to allow for long comments. We're going to have the user who posted the comment. We're going to have the date posted. And if we go to our posts table, you can see we have posted at and we have user ID. So in the comments table, we're going to change this to posted at for simplicity. Posted at is going to be date time. None of these fields can be null and the user ID will be unsigned. And we will go to the table, create a relation between the user ID in the comments table and the ID in the users table. We also want to create post_ID, the post that the comment relates to. That's going to be unsigned and it can't be null. And then we're going to go to relations, create a new relation between post ID in the comments table and the posts table and the ID field in that table. So we click add and there we have our two relations set up. So now what we want to do is create a way to comment below each post. So what we'll do is we'll create a new form. And what we'll do is we'll create a text area, and we've already created that on the profile page. So we'll scroll down. There's our text area. We'll just copy and paste this. And we'll use that for commenting. Again, because we're not worried about the design in this video. And we'll change that to comment. Change that to comment. And then change that to comment. And we'll change the name of the text area to actually comment body. We'll refresh. And you can see now we have a text box for writing comments. That obviously is a bit too big. So we'll add 50 columns and we'll add less rows. We'll add say 3 lines. We'll refresh, and there it's much smaller. So again, the design's not important in this video, but what we're going to do is we're going to let you type into this text box, and then when you click comment, it'll show up below. So to do that, what we're going to do is create a new class called comment.php, and it's going to be similar to posts. So we go to post, and here is our code for creating a new post. We give it the post body, the user ID who's logged in, and the profile user ID. So what we want for comment is going to be comment body and the post it belongs to. So it's actually even simpler than this function. So we'll copy that, we'll paste it in here, and we'll change it to create comment. We'll call it comment body, and we'll call it post ID. And we also want the user who wrote the comments, we'll say user ID. Comment body, we want to change that. We'll keep the same restrictions as we had for posting, and here we'll just get rid of those two. And we'll run a DB query. And here what we're doing is we're checking if the ID is valid. We will check if it's not valid. Then what we'll do is we'll echo invalid post ID. Otherwise we'll insert it into the database. We'll say DB query. So there's our comment about to be inserted. And what we want to do is we go back to the index page. We'll include the comment class. And then we'll copy this, change it to comment. So we're saying if is set post comment. Then we'll say comment post comment comment body. And then we want to pass the post ID. And we'll get the post ID like this. We'll say post ID equals, and then we'll just pass in post ID. Just like that. And then here we will get it from the get variable. So we got the comment body, the post ID, and we want to get the user ID, and we get the user ID just from this function up here. So we'll try and run that. We'll type a comment, we'll click comment, and we have an undefined method. So we obviously didn't call it post comment, we called it create comment. So we will just rename that. We'll try this again. We will resubmit the data. And there we go, we got no errors. If we go back to our table and we click on content, you can see we have one comment now, and it's commented under the post, the first verified post, and we check, and that's the correct post, and the user who posted it is Francis, and that's who I'm logged in as. So we've created the comment, and then now what we need to be able to do is display it. So in the next video we're going to be learning how to display comments. It's really simple, it's really similar to displaying posts. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit, and I'll see you next time.